Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of nursery on the topic of names of 5 foods. I am repeating. Today our topic is names of 5 foods. Students, this is our 12th lecture and 11th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 12th lecture and 11th homework. Students, take your notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, that means all your writing elements. We'll learn about 5 foods name. Do you know what is food? Okay, those things which we eat and drink is called food. So now take preparation. We'll start our class. Let's begin. Look, our question is names of 5 foods. You have to write 5 names of foods. So first one we can write, can you tell me? What can we write here? There are a lot of foods. Okay, I'm writing here rice. Can you spell rice? R-I-C-E. Rice. Can you spell rice? R-I-C-E. Rice. Okay. Now number 2. Can you tell me? Okay, anyone, name of any food, rice, then I'm writing here bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Spell with me. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Now come to number 3. We have written rice, bread. Now I'm writing fish. The spelling of fish is F-I-S-H. Fish. Now again spell with me. F-I-S-H. Fish. Number 4, I'm going to write milk. And can you spell? M-I-L-K. Milk. Spell with me. M-I-L-K. Milk. And last number, I'm going to write tea. And you have to spell. Can you spell? Okay, spell with me. T-E-A. Tea. Again spell with me. T-E-A. Tea. Okay, again we'll learn from 1 to 5. Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. T-E-A. Tea. So students, I hope you can write the names of 5 foods, and it doesn't matter whether you have written these foods or not. The matter is if you write any kind of food here and if the spelling is correct, you'll get full marks. So please write 5 names of foods according to your wish. Now I'm going to give your homework. Your homework will be names of 5 foods. I'm repeating, your homework will be names of 5 foods. Our lecture number is 12 and homework number is 11. So don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.